Welcome to a new week, new choices, new wave. Why midlife women want more freedom. If you're new around here, I'm Tracy, and around here, Monday is my favorite day. I know most folks dread it. For me, Monday is the beginning. It's a clean slate. It's a reset button. A whole new week of choices that I get to make for myself. That's exactly what I want to talk about today. Why midlife women are craving more freedom than ever. What I'm doing to create mine. Why Mondays matter. Sunday is the end of the week. That's the close the book day, the exhale day, the Lord we made it day. Monday, that's my new wave day. That's the day I look around and I say, oh, this is a new week, new mindset, new decisions. Honestly, I think more women my age need a restart like that. In midlife, everything shifts. Our energy, our priorities, our responsibilities, our tolerance for nonsense, and what we want out of life. Starting this week with intention instead of exhaustion changes everything. Let's just go ahead and tell the truth about midlife. There's that moment, usually around Monday morning or Wednesday afternoon, where you think, I truly cannot do another week like this. It hits deep, not because we're weak, not because we're lazy, because midlife is heavy. We're working, we're taking care of family, we're trying to stay healthy, we're juggling pets, parents, bills, stress, houses, meals, and everything else we never even signed up for. Nobody warns you how loud that mental load becomes around age 45, 50, 55, and up. We don't want the whole world handed to us. We just want some breathing room, some peace, some options, some flexibility. You know what I mean? I had this moment. I woke up one Monday and I thought, this is not the life I want to be stuck in for the next 20 years. That moment wasn't glamorous. I didn't get a sign from the heavens. Nobody swooped in to save me. It was just me, tired of giving every ounce of myself to everything except my own future. I made a tiny but powerful decision. 2 hours a day, that's it. I didn't have the time. I didn't have the energy. I made the space. And those 2 hours are changing me. Not because life got lighter, because I got stronger. People act like midlife is where dreams go to die. No, midlife is where you actually start seeing things clearly. You've lived enough life to know what you want and what you're not willing to tolerate anymore. You're wiser. You're more grounded. You've already survived things that people don't even know about. When I say new wave, I mean this. This era of your life is not the leftover scraps. This is where you rise. This is where you decide who you're going to be for the next chapter. That requires freedom, real freedom, time freedom, energy freedom, financial freedom, emotional freedom. I knew I needed something that fit my life. Not a second job, not a crazy schedule, not an opportunity that requires 10 hours a day. I needed something that works during the times I'm helping my mom, during born mornings, during dog walks, during the chaos of real midlife, during my job. I started building something online that actually made sense. It's simple steps, daily habits, 2 hours of intention, and the crazy thing, it's starting to work. Slow, steady, but real. It's giving me options I never had before. Options with my time, options with my income, options with how I wanted to live. I don't talk about specifics in these videos very often, but let's just say this. If you're tired of the grind, tired of the stress, tired of feeling cornered, there are other paths. You just have to be willing to try something new. My life isn't magically easy now. I still work. I still take care of my mom. I still do all the things I've always done. Now I have something that grows, that's growing underneath all of that. Something that compounds over time. Something that doesn't require me to clock in or ask permission. My days have more purpose now, more control, more calm. That's what I want for every woman and man watching this. Here's the thing that hangs most people up. They think they must overhaul their entire life. Nope. You just start with one window of time. I prefer early mornings. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, whatever you've got. You stack small wins. You build slowly, you stay consistent. That's where the magic happens. If you're listening to this and you're ready for your own new wave moment, I've got a simple blueprint that I follow. It's a free blueprint. You can check it out. It's easy and it's realistic for midlife women or men. You can grab it in the description or just comment blueprint. I'll make sure that you get it. Here's to a new week. Here's to new choices. Here's to that new wave of women and men who are done settling for exhaustion and ready for more freedom. You're not too old. You're not too late. You're right on time. Have an amazing week. I'll see you next Monday. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a thing.